Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is another one of my quickie makeup tips videos, and I'm going to show you how to do this ombre smoky eye. So you can do it like with pretty much any colour. I just fancied purples today because I picked up this palette here, and yeah, let's just crack right on. This is how I like to do these videos now. I'm going to pick up Bomb Bomb, which is the lightest pink. And we're going to go in the inner corner. So you would just, whatever colours you were using, you would just pick your lightest colour. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Obviously, if there's anything that you want to see, just let me know. Okay, so pink, you just wanting to create a little splodge. Then I'm going to go into Fall, which is what I consider to be the next darkest colour, and pop that in next to it. The trick for this look is you just need a little brush like this. Obviously little blending brushes are good too. I would obviously say if you're going to do a colourful look like this, do it after your before your foundation so you don't get fallout like me. But I was doing another video. If you want to see that video, I will link it up there for you. It's all about that 10 pumps of foundation. Yeah, can you guess which side of my face is 10 pumps and which side isn't? Okay, so then I'm taking Fuego. Open that. You do not have to be crazy neat with this. Just get it on. And then I'm taking Aubergine. This one I am creating a sort of little like triangle with, just to create that finished sort of bit like that. I'm just wiping off my brush in between shades. Back into Bonbon and just get the colour built up. Then into Fall. And you're just wanting to sort of wiggle it to blend it into the shade next to it, sort of thing. I think I need to go a wee bit higher actually. Blend it in the shade next to it. Then we're taking Sweet Cheeks. Same next door. You can go back into the previous one and see how it's just starting to blend. We'll zoom in a little bit actually. Didn't think there, did I? Into Fuego. Same thing again. Higher over there. Creating your kind of shape here. Then we are into Aubergine. Just want to wiggle at the edges just to blend them together. Sometimes it'll take longer than others. This side actually took quite a while. Then what I do is I get these brushes from my Kitco. I absolutely adore them. Look how tiny that little blendy brush is. The little point on it is just perfect for doing stuff like that. I just make sure it's clean. Yes, it looks dirty, but it's just stained from all these colours. Here we go, like that. So then I'm getting another one of these tiny little brushes. This one is the from the Pro range, and it's 120. This one is 130. I'm going to go back into Bomb Bomb, which is our lightest pink from the beginning. I'm really going to get a lot on the brush, and I'm just going to pop it on the very edge. See how that edge is nicely blended, and this one's needing a bit of work. Just continuing to pick up Bonbon. Maybe ended up a little bit high. It has. Damn it. Okay, so this happens to me all the time. See how this one's sitting quite low and this one's really high? So what I'm going to do is just jump back over and just make it a wee bit higher. If you feel like you're losing the gradient, just go back in and tap on the colours again. Like if it's just looking all pink. Now I'm just going to add a winged liner and sort out my mascara. Okay, so I added a black eyeliner and done my bottom lashes, and I just took the outer shade, put it across one of the inner ones, doesn't really matter which one, in the middle, and then the lightest one in the very inner corner, just to kind of tie it all in together. Obviously I did it really quickly, so I could actually take the time to go back and just make sure that they're both sort of matching up, you know, like side to side sort of thing. But you get the idea. That is the quick ombre smoky eye makeup tutorial, and you can obviously switch out the colours with whatever colours you want and create an ombre of whatever you want. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, obviously I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!